Well, here we are at Guildford, and in the background we have the line of lotuses, and it's kind of a bit of a funny day. There's a bit of cloud. It's been raining overnight, and the sun's poking through the clouds, so it could clean up to be a really nice day. But at the moment the bitumen is still wet, but hopefully that'll dry out and we'll be able to push the cars a little bit harder. But yeah, well, so let's get into it, and let's get in the cars and have a bit of a drive around. Well, last out the car park. That's my motto. Had to go and put my rubbish in the bin, put my photography gear away. So lucky last.
right-hand side, you can see a pipeline. And this pipeline is aptly named the Golden Pipeline because it travels from Mundaring Weir 600 kilometres to our gold mining centre in WA, Kalgoorlie. Now the water in Kalgoorlie in the ground is 6 to 7 times saltier than the ocean, so fresh cleaning water for mining operations was essential. All of the water from Mundaring Weir goes to Kalgoorlie and none of it is used for the local Perth city here in WA. Beautiful view as we descend off the Darling Ranges into the Swan Valley. And John, the organiser of this run, has booked lunch in the Swan Valley. So great cuisine is only a few kilometres away.
Well, here we are at Almar's in the Swan Valley. Beautiful. It's going to be a fantastic day. We've got the sun shining and there's some nice puffy clouds around and it actually feels really warm. It's really, really nice. And as you can see here, we've got quite a few examples of the Lotus vehicles, and I think we have 3 Exiges, and we have quite a few Elises that range from around about 2005 onwards. So we've got a good collection of Lotuses today. The roads are a bit wet, and we did all the little back roads, so we had some really good fun. There were some cyclists that slowed us up for a while at up in the hills. I think there must have been a cycling event happening or something like that. So we had to obviously take care because, you know, we've got cyclists on the road and you have to give them the wide berth. So yeah, so now we're going to go inside and we're going to have some lunch and enjoy the wares of Almar's. And thanks for watching, guys. So I'll see you next Lotus vid. And remember to subscribe and to also follow so you can get all of the Lotus content. Thanks, guys. See ya.